Hello there and welcome to the Sparrow Quilt Company Quilt Block Studio. Today we're going to be making the round the rail block, which you can see here. Let me show you what we're going to need. You will need 2 print strips that measure 2.5 by 6.5. You're going to need 3 strips of a contrasting solid that are also 2.5 by 6.5. And you'll also need, in that same fabric, 2 strips that are 2.5 by 10.5. Our first step is going to be sewing the 3 rails together. I recommend sewing down one side and up the other, alternating your direction of sewing. That will help you keep your block nice and square. Once you've put those together, you're going to have a unit that looks like this. Next, you're going to join the 2 side rails. Which will give you one of these. The last step is to attach your 2.5 by 10.5s, which will give you your finished block, which should look like that. And there you have it, the round the rail block. I hope you found this tutorial really helpful.